Do our thoughts shape our destiny, or are we simply victims of our circumstances? This question has puzzled thinkers for centuries. The great Roman emperor Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." But if this is true, why do so many of us feel trapped in lives we don't want? Do we not wish for a better future? Or have we forgotten how to truly think? Today's story will explore these questions and reveal a powerful secret hidden within our minds. We will follow the journey of a man who learned to break free from his mental prison. I promise this video will change the way you see yourself. In a small, quiet town, there lived a man named Arthur. He was a stonemason, a craftsman who chipped away at large blocks of stone to create beautiful sculptures. Yet Arthur's life was far from beautiful. Every morning he would look at the giant uncarved stones in his workshop and feel a heavy weight in his heart. "This stone is too big," he would whisper to himself. "I will never be able to finish it. I am just a simple stonemason, not a great artist." His days were filled with sighs and frustration. He would start a project with a flicker of hope, but his own negative thoughts would soon extinguish it. He saw only the hardness of the stone, the long hours of work, and the small amount of money he earned. He compared himself to other famous artists, and his own work seemed small and insignificant. His workshop, once a place of creativity, had become a prison of self-doubt. He believed his small life was his destiny, a reality as hard and unchangeable as the stones he worked with. One afternoon, an old, wise traveler stopped by his workshop. The traveler watched Arthur for a while as he hesitantly tapped at a large piece of marble. He could see the conflict in Arthur's eyes. The traveler, whose name was Elias, finally spoke. "That is a magnificent block of marble," he said in a calm voice. "What masterpiece is hiding inside it?" Arthur scoffed. "Masterpiece? I am no master. I am just a poor stonemason trying to make a living. This is just a block of stone, and I am just a man. I can only do so much." Elias smiled gently. He picked up a small, rough-looking stone from the ground. "Do you see this stone as it is?" he asked. "Or do you see what it could become?" He then pointed to a beautifully carved statue of a lion in the corner of the workshop. "Did you carve that?" Arthur nodded, a hint of pride in his eyes. "Yes, I did. It took me months." "Then you are not just a stonemason," Elias replied. "You are an artist. You did not see a block of stone. You saw a lion. You saw its strength, its majesty, and its spirit. You saw what was possible, not just what was there. The stone did not change. Your thought changed the stone." Elias continued, "The problem is not the size of the stone in front of you, but the size of the thoughts inside of you. You look at this new marble and think, this is a heavy burden. You have already decided it is a struggle. But what if you looked at it and thought, a beautiful angel is sleeping inside, and I am the one who will set it free?" Those words struck Arthur like a bolt of lightning. He had spent years focusing on his limitations, on the difficulty of his work, and on his own perceived failures. He had never considered that his thoughts were the real tools shaping his life, more powerful than any hammer or chisel. From that day forward, something inside Arthur shifted. He started his mornings not with a sigh, but with a question. What beautiful creation is waiting for me today? He began to see the stones not as obstacles, but as opportunities. He started thinking bigger. He imagined magnificent fountains, intricate statues, and breathtaking monuments. His mindset changed from "I can't" to "I will." Slowly but surely, his work transformed. His new creations were filled with a passion and confidence that people had never seen before. Visitors came from other towns just to see his art. He was no longer just Arthur the stonemason. He was Arthur the artist, a man who could turn ordinary stone into extraordinary beauty. He had not found new tools or stronger hands. He had found a new way of thinking. Arthur learned that the biggest walls we have to climb are the ones we build in our own minds. Do you ever feel like Arthur, trapped by the size of the stones in your life? If this story touched your heart, subscribe for more stories that awaken your soul. Learn, speak, evolve.